Anya, and today we want to make a ginger loaf. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, cream together 115 grams of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. 1 large egg. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And a 1/4 cup of molasses. Mix until well combined. Add 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, a half a teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Slowly add a half a cup of milk and slowly add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix until everything is well combined. The batter is quite thick. Spoon batter into prepared loaf pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. Allow to cool, cut and enjoy.